Hello children, let's learn some colors. Orange color, orange color. Sky blue color, sky blue color. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Blue color, blue color. Capital letters. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A. B for bird. B for bird. B for bird. B for bird. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. D. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fox. F for fox. Z for goat. Z for goat. Z for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for iguana. I for iguana. I for iguana. A for aeroplane. B for bird. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. Z for goat. H for hen. I for iguana. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video.